Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. Yes, I am wearing the same shirt because I'm batch creating 2 videos on the same day, and I want you to know that that's what content creators do. So get used to it. I'm all about being real and vulnerable. So in this tutorial video, I'm going to be teaching you the popular TikTok trend. So we're going to do this on TikTok. I have not found this filter yet on Instagram, so I am going to be doing this tutorial on TikTok. It's actually very simple, and you want to make it flawless. Is this one that you change with the filter in your face, like when you blink the filter changes. So I'm going to teach you how to do it and how you can do the trend. So let's get into it, shall we? So for this trend, there are 2 ways to it, to be very honest. It comes with this filter, and if I blink, it doesn't go with my glasses. I have to pull it off. But what you want to do is you want to reduce the speed, because if you do it the normal way, you're going to end up with like this, beat me like this. But if you reduce it with 2x, like we did for the previous trend, listen to me now, it's going to be very, very, very easy to actually say the word slowly and also blink slowly. So let me pull off my glasses. As you can see, it's changing. So I'm going to do the countdown now. I'm going to remove the microphone so I can hear the sound and put it
Snappy all night, you barely
3, 2.
Snappy all night, you barely
No, I made a mistake. I was blinking too
Snappy all Snappy all night, you barely even dance with
You don't make me laugh. I've been trying all night. You've been shaking your ass. I'm like half of the height.
real nice.
Baby, give me a chance all evening. Do I get another dance?
I'm leaving. Snappy all night, you barely even danced with me.
Don't make me laugh. I've been trying all night. You've been shaking your ass for like half of the height.
Real nice.
Baby, give me a chance all evening. Do I get another dance?
I'm leaving.
Vanessa.
That wasn't so hard, right? It was actually, but you can see it always takes time and patience to actually master all these trends. All right guys, please make sure to like, make sure to share, make sure to leave a comment, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.